So let's see if this thing runs. I don't even remember if it does. Yeah, so they don't do anything. They are changing state though, and should not be. So what's changing state? Let's go to settings. Let's set it to debug, because let's see what's in debug. Duplicate. Did some duplicates. Not a big deal. What of the agent? Are we calling update values? So we are updating values. It's got target action of none. So it's choosing a random action, and when it does that, it doesn't get a target. Oh, because we're just picking a random state. So let's just call this choose random state. We don't have choose random action, so let's be some explicitness right here. And then let's take this out. We take a step. We only take a step if we have something to take a step towards. So what do we want to do? So let me take a step. So our data types are not very efficient right now. If I'm thinking like I've got a way where like take a step. Let's build this thing the right way. Let's go to the top and let's just start over. When we run the engine, we don't want to tick until after we draw. I want to query the event first. I want to update the society. Then we'll draw, and then we'll tick. Draw, we draw the society. We draw the GUI. Let's change this to world. World. World, world, world. And we're going to rename this world. And in that, we're going to rename this world. What the hell am I doing? That makes more sense, but we gotta think back. Go to main, go to engine, we run in the engine, see the world draw, update the world, we update the world, if the population, I will reset the grid. Otherwise, we update the grid. We're actually going to do away with the grid. And we're going to just say grid here. Yep. Yep. And then instead of grid, that grid, we'll just simply say repopulate. Selected will be part of that. That's how we do it. It's much better. Much better. Okay, so we gotta fix that. So this is the update grid. Update statistics now. We go to grid. We have to change this one update to update grid. World has no selected. Yeah, because we're gonna put it in the grid. We're gonna say self selected. None. This way, the grid and the agents can operate closer together. Oh, I'll have to say draw grid. We don't have to have the screen no more. You can just go to grid and go to draw cells. We don't have to pass this. Oh, look at that. The world has markets, homes, and agents now that we did that.
Switch to Chrome to load your favorite sites fast, so you can browse with ease. Fast, safe,
interesting how Python automatically makes that a tuple. We want to say log. I don't understand what's going on with these, like... So we got all the way back to where we started. So let's just do this. So let's take sleeping out. I'm not sure. Can't be target. It has to be target direction. That's what we started with a long time ago. There is no target direction. Call this the action step. We're not gonna do targets anymore. They're in azimuth. We're gonna say azimuth. could show people some shit. Really could teach some people some things. Get some things right around here because my shit ain't working. Select unit. Maybe selected equals the unit. When we update, we pass in the selected. We go to the grid. Oh. We actually need to determine target direction. So the azimuth's how we find him. The target's the one that we pick. So we will separately have to write well, that's stupid. Because we didn't know what to do. We didn't know how to find a target. So we need to look at when we choose a random state, we're missing a whole piece now. Like this random move action. There's a whole grid step. Where do we do this shit at? I've royally fucked the pooch. I don't know if we can fix this. This is what I was looking for. This open because what was the other one we were at? We need to log. And we want this on debug. Still gonna. Oh. So what we're gonna do, let's go back in here first, and we're going to go into P function. We're gonna wrap these in. Actually. Just wrap it in there like that. So we scale it back by the magnitude and convert it to an int to try to get single steps. So now target direction doesn't have an XY. So these shouldn't be like that, I don't think. So we didn't want him. Not want him. He did not want to drown. We have ones. Neither one of them should be here. So confused. Don't understand. Like, I don't even understand this. Like, I don't understand the outputs. I don't understand why. Calculating direction key is x1, y1, x2, y2. Like in these cases, they will cancel each other out. Like this should have been the here case. So we could have actually exited it here. Do we actually store that target? I don't know if we want that. If we leave this in here and we say that once we reach our target, we want to say that we've reached it, we could have an indicator that would add to the reward factor in the network. When the state changes here, there would be a connection, but then we could just phase it out essentially. I don't know. For the time being, we'll leave it because we out here. We choose a random state. We're gonna say self target reached. False. I think I do want to add another level here. I'm going to add an alert level. Or it could be a notice, but this is broken, right? Direction. I'm actually like almost stumped on this. Like I could take a break. It would come to me later. But I really want to understand. Maybe it's taking a step forward. See, because we're checking the reward object. I don't know why we're even doing it like this. No, it's unnecessary complexity, but there's a reason for it. It's because there's crossover between the agent. The azimuth is meant to give us an interface into the world while still keeping the agent. We need to be using implement linked list. So we would have self markets. And then we'll say to do way to find it. Find a market. I mean, now it's not that hard. We can actually do this. And then we can say self has home, false, and then self home, fun, telling you false. Actually, make this a list as well. And might as well just make it a set. Then when we create the world and we create the grid, populate, we say for agent, for agent dot market we don't need them to actually be, we don't need them here at all anymore now. Because they're actually in the cells. The markets are, and the agents are actually in the cells. Even agents are in the cells. So this creates this like doubly linked list. We just broke everything. We actually need to determine a target. We'll just say, I'm not sure what I just did, but hey, it doesn't. So this is interesting now. The world, when we select the unit, then the only thing that we can do here, this just got a whole lot easier. We just say that we don't even do this. We just say that the selected is the cell at that index. That's it. That's all we do. We don't care what it is. Look at that. Looky there. I'm calling it